Fabric weaving is a very simple idea, but still, you will never be sure of yourself until you give it a try. Welcome to Nedu Mr. channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing how to weave a tumbling block with our fabric. If this video had a value to you, please give it the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell that you may always get notification every time I drop a new video. Let's go straight into it. These are the stripes we are going to be using to make our weaving. You can check out this video in my channel to learn how to make a perfect stripes of any width and length. The stripes I have here are of width 0.75 inch. You can make yours 1 inch. In fact, it is more beautiful at 1 inch. Be less bothered for now about this grade you are seeing on your screen right now, as it is just simple basic of fabric weaving we are discussing in this video. In subsequent videos, I will show to you how to draw a grid, a perfect grid for fabric weaving. But for now, be less bothered about it, as we are only using the vertical line on it. Other lines we are not using. For the stripes we are using for the vertical aspect of it, it is of length 11 inch. I will advise you not to make the same mistake like me. I let it be this 11 inch because I thought within myself that I only need something of length 7 inch, which I later regret. I will advise you, even when you need something as less as 7 inch or 8 inch, let the stripe be of length 20 inch so that you won't experience the kind of difficulty I experienced while doing this. Remember, I said fabric weaving is very simple, but you will never be sure of yourself until you give it a try. The cross weaving aspects are going to be of 3 differences at starting point. That's why you'll see me numbering it 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. For the first weaving, we are going to be going over 1, under 2. That is the vertical stripes. Over 1, under 2. Over 1, under 2. Over 1, under 2. It would have been under 2, but because we only have 1 left there. So this is for the weave numbered 1. So we are going to pin this down, and while pinning it down, we are going to pull it a little bit beyond its natural toughness. This stripe also is of 9 inch. I regret this also a lot, for I thought within myself that I only need 5.5 inch weight, that would be enough for me. I regret it so much, so do not make that mistake. Try to let yours be around 15 inch or more, just for easy sailing. So for the second differences, it's going to be under 1, over 1, under 2, over 1, under 2, over 1, under 2, over 1, like that, just like the first one. Push it closer to the first one and pin it down also. Remember to pull it a little bit beyond its natural toughness. So for the third differences, it's going to be under 2, over 1, under 2, over 1, under 2, over 1, under 2, like that. So the differences we are talking about are just from the starting point, that a kind of beautiful pattern may emerge. If you look at what we have here now, you will see that a beautiful pattern have emerged. So this pattern is what's gonna repeat itself successively. That's why you have the numbering 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Please, I come again, do not make the mistake of using short length stripe for your weaving. it is very tiresome. At a point, I was like, alas, alas, my God, why have thou forsaken me? It was very difficult. Please don't make the mistake. Now we are going back to 1, which is over 1, under 2, over 1, under 2, over 1, under 2. Now to 2, which is under 1, over 1, under 2, over 1, under 2, over 1. For a better understanding of the successive repetition, the next weave I'm going to do under the first one that we numbered 1. So you should know that that is going to be 3 then, which weaving we said to be under 2, over 1, under 2, over 1, like that. The next part of this weaving is a bit challenging. Believe me, as a beginner, as a first time fabric weaver, you will have an issue with this. I promise you that. The techniques I devised for this is searching for the backward Z, the backward Z. That is the stripe that is going to give us the 3D illusion that will make it look like a thumb block. We go in from the bottom of the backward Z and come out from the top. Going from the bottom again, come out from the top. Here is a simple techniques that I believe can help even beginners. So it will go in here also from the bottom of the Z and come outside from its top. The next backward Z would have been from this point, but we have only one diamond there. So let's pin this down. Let's flip the screen for a clearer view. So these are the next backward Z. Remember I said the law is simple. Go in from the bottom of the Z and come out from its top. Let's add another weave at number 3 to this, which is under 2 over 1, under 2 over 1. Something is wrong here. Who can figure it out? Something is wrong here. Something is wrong. Look at what we have here. Something is wrong. What is that thing that is wrong? What is that thing that is wrong? Have you been able to figure it out? We've just skipped a complete row of Z's, and this doesn't happen intentionally. I made a mistake. It was a mistake. So the point I'm trying to drive out here is that fabric weaving is a very simple idea, but you will never know if truly you can weave until you give it a try. If this video had a value to you so far, please give it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and turn on your notification bell that you may always be the first to watch videos coming from Little Mr. channel. Fabric weaving is a very simple idea, but you have to give it a try to be sure of yourself. It is very simple. There are much more advanced kinds of fabric weaving, but believe me, this is the simplest of all, the basic of it. Once you understand this, every other kind of weaving won't be a difficult thing to understand. Do you have an idea that you would like us to discuss on this channel? Please check in the description box below to reach me on Telegram or WhatsApp or Facebook. The links are there to reach me. Remember, at the beginning of this craft, we put a feasible interfacing ST. So we are going to wet this and press it with our iron.